Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. I have already uploaded several videos on the importance of radiant diffuser for macro photography on my tabletop studio. There is no question about the diffused light for macro photography. It is a must for any photography, for like portrait or macro photography, whatever you want to do, a diffused light is important, except landscape photography, street photography, where you cannot help, you have to depend on the ambient lighting. But whenever you do a macro photography outdoor, we must use a radiant diffuser. For indoor tabletop photography, I use a radiant diffuser, and also I have made this light box for taking pictures of shiny subject and flying subject. The good thing about this light box, I can use a flying subject. It cannot fly away from this box. It can only come from the front. I can catch it again and place in the leaf or flower inside this diffuser box. Today I'll be using a very shiny, colorful jewel bug. You can see it is working inside. I'll take several pictures of this jewel bug and I'll show you the effect of this DIY light box. I'll show you the pictures at the end of this video. Let me take some pictures in different focal length and different magnification of this beautiful jewel bug. I'll be placing this jewel bug on these beautiful green leaves. You can see. I think you can see this beautiful jewel bug sitting quietly on the leaf. Now I'll start taking pictures. I'll be using Sony A7R3 camera, Sony f4 70 to 200 mm macro GOSS lens for this photo shoot. I can change the focal length from 70 mm to 200 mm, and you can see the barrel comes out of the lens and extends for magnification. So initially I'll take some picture at 200 mm because I want it big size. I want the best magnification. I'll be changing the wheel for adjusting the angle and for composition. So I'll show you the pictures in different angles and different positions. Changing the angle again. One of the reasons for taking picture at 200 mm, I will get a very blurry background compared with 70 or 100 mm. So my subject will stand out in the frame. I have taken plenty of shots at 200 mm as well as 100 and 135 mm focal length. I'll show you the pictures after editing in Lightroom, and we'll see the pictures of this jewel bug with a very shiny surface. There is no hot spot at all. The light is smooth and evenly distributed all over its body, and excellent pictures because of this diffuser materials on this diffuser box. If you like macro photography and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in next video. Bye bye.